Hand piecing isn't something you often hear me talk about. It's not something actually I enjoy. But when I see the stunning quilt behind me, which was made by one of my students, Jo Willows, I'm tempted to pick it up again. Hand piecing was something my mother did a lot of, but it's just something that kind of doesn't appeal. However, I know there are a lot of you out there who really like to do something in the evenings when you're listening to the television. I'm using a nice thick pen. Really doesn't matter. This is for my template. I'm then going to find the 60-degree angle on my ruler. And you can continue sewing along this edge, so that you would then have your lovely unit. So there we go. So that's all there is to it. You just need to make lots